Hello everyone, this next video is going to be a quick and simple one on how you can no-follow all external links on your WordPress website. Now, the first thing would be to log into your WordPress site, and if you have the Rank Matter SEO plugin installed, that's about the quickest way to get this done. And if you don't have that installed, you can just come right to the plugin section and click on Add New. And then you can search for Rank Mat, install the plugin, and activate the plugin. But in this case, I have the plugin installed already, so I just go ahead to General Settings. So from here, you want to make sure that you are on the links section. You can see we have other section right here. So basically, we are dealing with the link section for this purpose. So now you're going to scroll down to this place. You see this option right here, no-follow external links. Now you can see that this is on, which means that it's already activated on this side. In your case, you might see it this way. So which means that you need to toggle it on. Once it's blue, it means that you have toggled it on and that function is activated already. So once you have done that, you can come right here and click on Save Changes. However, in a case that you like to exclude some particular domains from nofollow, you can just come right here and impute those domains here line after line. Let's say you want to add one or two, you can add them line upon line, the domains that you like to exclude from nofollow. And once you are done, you come back right here to click on Save Changes again. So that's how to use the Rank Matter SEO plugin to implement nofollow for all external links on your WordPress website. I really do hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.